Good afternoon, second standard. How are you all? Today is going to be, we're going to start a new unit, Unit 5. And it's all about numbers. And there are very nice songs which I'm sure you will enjoy. So where do we use numbers? Just look around your house and see where you can find numbers. Okay? So we use numbers to count, we use numbers to measure. Measure പറഞ്ഞാൽ അളക്കുക. Okay? So ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എത്ര കുട്ടികളുണ്ട് എന്ന് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ we can use numbers. ഈ കുട്ടി എത്ര ദൂരം ചാടുന്നുണ്ട് എന്ന് നോക്കാൻ we can use numbers. We use numbers to look at the time. We can measure or find the time in the clock. Okay? We can check our height. നമ്മൾ എത്ര ഹൈറ്റ് ഉണ്ട് എന്നുള്ളത് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ we can use numbers. Now, these two girls, they're counting the number of shapes. So how many circles are there? How many yellow squares are there? How many stars are there? Okay. So if we were to look now, he's jumping from here till here. We don't know what it is. So let's listen to the track and then we will know how far Carlos jumped. Okay. And what time is it now? 10 o'clock. Right? Okay. So let's just listen to it.
Track 54.
There are a lot of shapes on this chart.
Yes, there are. There are 10 big circles and 10 little circles.
There are 10 big squares and 10 little squares. There are 10 big triangles and 10 little triangles.
There are 10 big rectangles and 10 little rectangles. There are 10 big hearts and 10 little hearts.
Okay, Carlos? Ready, steady, jump!
How far did I jump?
Just a moment. I'll measure. You jumped 52 centimetres.
How many?
52 centimetres.
Look at this clock. What time is it?
Is it 11 o'clock?
No, it isn't. Try again.
It's 10 o'clock.
Yes, it is.
Track 55. 10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100.
Okay. So നിങ്ങളുടെ കൈ എടുത്ത് നോക്കിയിട്ട് count the number of fingers that you have. So you will have 5 on one hand and 5 on the other hand. So that makes it 10 fingers. Now call your brother or sister. Okay? അവരുടെ കൈ വെക്കാൻ പറയും. So ഇതിൽ 10, നിങ്ങളുടെ കയ്യിൽ 10, അവരുടെ കയ്യിലും 10 fingers. അപ്പോൾ എത്രയായി? 20. Now call your mother. Ask her to keep her hand. എത്രയായി? 10, 20, 30. 30 fingers. ഓരോരുത്തരിലും 10 ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ മൂന്നാളെ ചേർത്തിയപ്പോൾ 30. Now call your father. So now it becomes 40. Now call your grandmother. It becomes 50 because there are 5 people and അവരുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും fingers ചേർത്തിയാൽ നമ്മൾ count ചെയ്ത 50 fingers. Now call your grandfather. 60 fingers. Now call your uncle. So it becomes 70 fingers. Okay, 7 കൈയുണ്ട്. For 70 fingers. Now call your aunt. So it becomes 80. So 80 fingers. Now call your cousin brother. So 9 ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. എത്ര fingers ആയി? 90 fingers. Now call your cousin sister. So 10 ആൾക്കാരുടെ കൈയും കൂടി വെച്ച് എല്ലാവരുടെ ഫിംഗേഴ്സും കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്ത് എത്രയായി? 100. And how do you count it? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100. Okay? So now we're going to listen to a song. Just a minute.
Track 56.
Little, 20 little, 30 little fingers, 40 little, 50 little, 60 little fingers, 70 little, 80 little, 90 little fingers, 100 little fingers in the air. 10 little, 20 little, 30 little fingers, 40 little, 50 little, 60 little fingers, 70 little, 80 little, 90 little fingers, 100 little fingers in the air. Now, let's count backwards. 100 little, 90 little, 80 little fingers, 70 little, 60 little, 50 little fingers, 40 little, 30 little, 20 little fingers, 10 little fingers in the air. 100 little, 90 little, 80 little fingers, 70 little, 60 little, 50 little fingers, 40 little, 30 little, 20 little fingers, 10 little fingers in the air.
Hope you enjoyed the song. So have a lovely day, second standard, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Jai Hind.